Hey everyone, this is a 52-inch Emerson summer night ceiling fan. This is in like a cream finish, I guess. It has kind of, it's gloss. They're glossy blades. They just don't look glossy right now. I found this like weird yellow tape and just taped the chain on because it would hit the fan otherwise. This is from September 2005, and I have another one. That one is for Sebastian, aka Roblox, ceiling fans, and more. And this one might be for Donovan. He's figuring out a trade for it. And we'll start this up on low. I'm going to have to hold on to it on high because it's going to turn around, as you saw when I started it up on high. I mean, these fans look nice, but they're not the best performers. But they're certainly not bad. They're just not great. So there's low. I mean, I feel a breeze. Let's go to medium. Here's medium. I mean, it's a pretty decent speed, I guess. And yeah, I feel air. Let's go to high. As you can tell, it wants to spin itself around, so we're gonna have to... Yeah, no. Can't let go of it. It stopped. No, it didn't. Okay. Well, there it is on high. It was a decent amount of air. Let's turn it off now, because I don't trust this thing anymore. Okay, thank you for watching.